Hi, I'm Tina Neal, Program Coordinator for Project Access. I'm going to speak to you about parent-implemented interventions. These strategies recognize and use parents as the most effective teachers of their children. Parent-implemented intervention entails parents directly using individualized intervention practices with their child to increase positive learning opportunities and acquisition of important skills. Parents learn to implement such practices in their home and/or community through a structured parent training program. Parents receiving 12 to 18 hours of training in basic teaching techniques can be very effective in prompting their child's development. Parent training can occur in group formats with 6 to 8 families participating, or individually in one-to-one training as an adjunct to the child's treatment program. Some school districts offer parent training sessions that include basic ABA principles, procedures for teaching self-help, self-regulation, and limited communication skills. The goal areas demonstrating positive outcomes are behavior, communication, social, transitions. Age range supported by evidence is 3 to 12 years.